Listen up. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because you still think making money requires permission. These 15 online hustles require no degree, no investment, and no one's approval, but 95% will ignore them and stay broke forever. Let's be real. School never taught you how to make money. They taught you how to be obedient, how to be an employee. But in 2025, there's zero excuse for being broke. The internet is the great equalizer. The only question is, are you ready to hustle or just scroll? Because you're either building your dream or making someone else richer with your time. Here's what they don't tell you. The economy is rigged against you. Wages are flat, costs are rising, and the algorithm is designed to keep you distracted. But the elites, they're online every day, not scrolling, but selling. They leverage digital tools, AI, remote clients, and they don't care about your resume. They care about value. And value doesn't come from a piece of paper. It comes from solving problems. I'm going to break down 15 practical, no excuse online income streams that anyone can start today. It's time to stop complaining about the bills and start flipping the script. Because broke is not a condition, it's a mindset. So what's stopping you? Number 1, freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr. Here's the deal. Whether you're into writing, design, or video editing, freelance platforms got your name. You can build websites, write copy, edit videos, do social media, and so much more. All you need are basic skills and a phone or computer. Now let me drop some truth bombs. Don't start with a low-ball offer thinking you'll get more later. That's a rookie mistake. Instead, kick things off with a bang. Do one job for free. Yes, you heard right, free. Get that first review and then boom, raise your prices. Trust me, clients won't care about paying more if you've got the reviews to back it up. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Want to make money promoting other people's products? You can do it by becoming an affiliate. Top platforms like Amazon, Notion, and Canva have affiliate programs. Once you sign up, you'll get a special link for each product. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you score a commission. And here's the beauty of it all. You don't need to create your own product. You're simply promoting what's already out there. So choose products you genuinely love and use yourself. That way it's easy to convince others to buy. And guess what? You can promote these offers on your social media. So talk about them in your stories, posts, reels, or even YouTube videos. It's a win-win situation. You share valuable stuff with your audience and earn commissions on the side. Number 3, selling Notion templates. Listen up. Designing once and selling forever is the name of the game. With Notion templates, you can build custom dashboards, wikis, calendars, and score high-paying clients. People are willing to pay top dollar for templates that help them organize their work or life. So here's how it works. Create a template that solves a pain point for a specific niche. It could be anything from productivity for entrepreneurs to fitness tracking. Once you've designed your masterpiece, list it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. The best part? You sell digital products, so no shipping or handling headaches. And here's a bonus tip. Provide stellar customer service. Offer free lifetime updates and one-on-one guidance. That way you'll stand out from the crowd and attract more buyers. Number 4, print-on-demand stores. If you're a creative soul with a flair for design, print-on-demand stores might be your golden ticket. Platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, and Society6 allow you to upload your designs and sell them on t-shirts, mugs, wall art, and more. The best part, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. The platform handles everything for you. So whether you're into funny quotes, pop culture references, or mesmerizing patterns, there's a market for every type of design. It's like having your own art gallery, but in the comfort of your PJs. Number 5, copywriting for businesses. Okay, listen up. There's a ton of small brands out there that need help with their online presence, and copywriting is where you come in. Head over to Instagram, find businesses that align with your interests, and shoot them a message offering to revamp their bio or even their ads. Believe me, A compelling bio can make a huge difference in how many followers turn into customers. And when it comes to crafting those messages, keep it simple. Tell them you've helped similar businesses boost their sales and offer to do the same for them. Plus, you can ask for testimonials to build trust. Now here's the real deal. Don't go into debt to fund this hustle. If you need some extra cash flow, consider asking friends or family for a small loan. It's not a handout, but a smart way to invest in your journey. Number 6, selling AI-generated children's books. Let me introduce you to a game-changing hustle that's taking the publishing industry by storm. With AI writing tools like ChatGPT, you can generate unique story ideas, characters, and even illustrations for children's books. Once you've got your story outline, head over to Canva and design a book cover that'll make parents and kids go wild. Finally, bring your masterpiece to life using KDP, a platform that helps you publish and print books on demand. This way you'll have no upfront printing costs and you can start selling right away. But here's the secret sauce. Kids' books are a hot commodity year-round, so you can bank on consistent sales without worrying about seasonal trends. Number 7, starting a faceless YouTube channel. Now listen up, you don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. A faceless channel can be your ticket to success. You can focus on topics like finance, horror, or motivation. Just find a niche that speaks to you and hit record. You can use stock video and audio clips, plus add a voiceover to keep things interesting. It's like being a radio DJ, but with better pay. And here's how you're gonna make bank. Run ads on your videos and earn ad revenue. Or join affiliate programs and promote products without showing your face. Imagine sipping margaritas on the beach while your phone racks up those sales. It's possible. Number 8, building and flipping Instagram theme pages. If you're all about creating and curating awesome content, you can flip those page views into cash. Find a niche you're passionate about, gather a crew of like-minded creators, and start posting killer content. Focus on providing value. Whether you're dishing out advice, sharing insights, or just making people laugh. The key is to grow your following to at least 10K. Then you can start monetizing. Connect with brands and offer shout-outs on your stories or posts. Charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per shout-out and watch your earnings skyrocket. Or if you're feeling entrepreneurial, you can sell the page altogether. Platforms like Flipper are a great place to start. So if you've got an eye for trends and a knack for engaging content, this hustle might just be your jam. Number 9, online tutoring. Are you fluent in English? Well, you can leverage that skill to make some serious cash online. Platforms like Preply and Cambly connect you with students in Asia who are eager to learn from you. All you need is a device and an internet connection. So whether you're a high schooler or a retiree, you can set your own hours and rates and teach whenever it's convenient for you. Number 10, dropshipping with AI tools. Okay, let me break it down for you. You can create a dropshipping store without buying any products or dealing with shipping. It's all handled online. First, identify a product you'd like to sell and use AI tools like ChatGPT to create compelling descriptions. Then, leverage platforms like Facebook and Instagram to run targeted ads. When someone places an order through your website, you forward it to your supplier. They ship the product directly to your customer, and you can use tools like Oberlo or Spocket to automate this process. With dropshipping, you're essentially running a virtual store, and you don't need to invest in inventory. All you need is a good product and a solid marketing strategy. Number 11, selling low-content books on Amazon. Look, you don't need to be a novelist to make money on Amazon. Creating low-content books like journals, planners, or logbooks is a game changer. These books don't require any writing and can bring in passive income for years. You can create unique designs using software like Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer. Then upload them to Amazon's KDP platform. It's user-friendly and free. You can publish multiple books in a day and start earning royalties. Think about it. Every time someone buys one of your books, you'll receive a percentage of the sale without lifting a finger. Number 12, flipping domain names. Okay, here's a pro tip. You can buy cheap domain names and flip them for a profit. Sites like GoDaddy and Namecheap allow you to snag domains for a few bucks. Research shows that keywords like insurance, realtor, mortgage, and coaching are in high demand. So look for opportunities to buy domains with these keywords. Once you've got your target domain, head over to Flipper and list it. That's a platform for buying and selling online businesses. Startups and entrepreneurs are always on the lookout for valuable domains, and you can capitalize on that demand. If you're feeling ambitious, you can even buy a domain and build a simple website to increase its value before selling it. Number 13, selling online courses on Skillshare or Gumroad. Now, if you've mastered a particular skill, you can turn that knowledge into a thriving business. Create an online course and sell it on platforms like Skillshare or Gumroad. Share your expertise on topics ranging from social media marketing to graphic design. And don't underestimate the power of teaching others. In fact, one of my biggest income streams is selling online courses. I've taught over 1 million people how to grow on TikTok. My course has generated over 6 figures in revenue. Even if you're just starting out, you can create a course around something you're already knowledgeable about. It's a win-win situation. You can help others learn new skills while earning money on your terms. Number 14, digital marketing services. If you've got a knack for online marketing, you can help local businesses level up their online game. Learn the ins and outs of Google Ads or Meta Ads and offer your services to small businesses looking to expand their reach. These businesses often have outdated websites and strategies that need a fresh revamp. You can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per month for your marketing expertise. It's a lucrative opportunity, and you can set your own hours and work remotely. Number 15, remote cold calling for startups. Did you know that many startups are willing to pay top dollar to fill their sales positions? But finding the right talent can be a challenge. That's where you come in. Offer your services as a remote cold caller for startups. Your job would be to contact potential customers on behalf of the company. You can find these opportunities on freelancing platforms or by reaching out to startups directly. Some companies even offer hourly rates, plus commissions based on your performance. It's a fantastic way to earn money and gain experience in various industries. That was 15 online hustles you can start today with $0. Remember, broke is not a condition, it's a mindset. The internet is the greatest equalizer, but it's also the greatest opportunity. Most people will never take advantage of it. They'll complain, they'll make excuses. But if you can relate to any single hustle, I know you're not average. You're different, you're hungry, and most importantly, you're here. So thank you for watching, but our movement has just begun. Join us by clicking subscribe. We publish a video every single day, and I promise you, you're going to see results.